Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel where we dive deep into the cars that make our hearts race and our palms sweat. Today, we're talking about something that's been whispered about in garages and debated on forums for years. The 2026 Chevrolet Chevelle SS. Yeah, you heard that right. Chevy's bringing back one of the most legendary muscle car names from the golden era, but with a twist that's equal parts nostalgia and next-level innovation. If you're a die-hard fan of raw American power or just someone who appreciates a machine that looks like it could eat the road for breakfast, buckle up because we're going to break this beast down from every angle. I've spent time poring over the latest specs, renders, and insider leaks, and let me tell you, this isn't just a revival, it's a resurrection that could redefine what a modern muscle car feels like. So, grab your favorite energy drink, hit that like button if you're already hyped, and let's roll. Picture this, you're pulling up to a car show, and out of the haze steps a silhouette that's pure 70s aggression wrapped in 2026 tech. The exterior of the 2026 Chevelle SS is where Chevy nailed that retro modern vibe so perfectly it hurts. Starting up front, it's all business, no apologies, no subtlety. That massive, blacked-out grille dominates the fascia like a predator's maw, flanked by razor-sharp LED headlights that slice through the night with a signature daytime, running light pattern echoing the original SS cowl induction hoods. The hood itself is a work of art, long, sculpted, and bulging with power lines that scream V8 under here, complete with functional vents for that extra bit of drama and cooling efficiency. It's got this subtle rake to the front end, giving it a planted, ready-to-pounce stance. And the bumper is aggressively sculpted with integrated air dams that not only look mean, but channel air to the brakes and radiator like a pro racer. Chrome accents are minimal Think SS badging in bold script and slim trim around the lights, keeping it clean and timeless. But pop the hood and you'll see carbon fiber accents peeking out, hinting at the lightweight strength holding it all together. It's a front end that demands attention. One glance and you're hooked. Imagining burnouts that leave civilians in awe, swinging around to the side, the Chevelle SS just flexes harder. The profile is pure muscle car poetry, a fastback roofline that flows seamlessly from the A-pillar to the trunk, creating this aerodynamic wedge that's low-slung and wide-hipped for ultimate road presence. Those fender flares aren't just for show, they're flared out over massive 20-inch staggered alloy wheels wrapped in sticky performance rubber, giving it a stance that's aggressive without looking cartoonish. The door handles are flush-mounted for that sleek, wind-cheating look. And running down the belt line is a subtle character line that ties into the original Chevelle's Coke bottle shape, but updated with sharper creases for better high-speed stability. Side mirrors are slim and aero-optimized, housing blind spot cameras that feed into the interior tech, and underneath, you get those beefy side skirts that tuck the exhaust notes just right. More on that growl later. It's a side view that makes you want to trace every curve with your eyes, from the subtle wheel arch lips to the way the greenhouse tapers back, framing the iconic SS stripes that run from hood to decklet in matte black or optional heritage red. This isn't a car you park and forget. It's one that turns heads from every parking lot angle, blending that classic pony car proportion with modern proportions that hug the ground like it owns it. And then you circle to the rear, and bam, it's like the Chevelle S saved the best threat for last. The tail is wide and planted, with a full-width LED taillight bar that connects the outer clusters in a glowing red ribbon, giving it that modern edge while nodding to the sequential turn signals of yesteryear. The diffuser is massive, carbon fiber blacked out with integrated quad exhaust tips that stack two per side, polished stainless steel screaming, "Let me roar." Above it, the trunk lid is subtle but sculpted, with a slight lip spoiler that's functional for downforce without screaming aftermarket tacky. Reverse lights nestle into the bumper, and the whole setup is flanked by those flared rear quarters that make the car look even wider from behind, ready to launch. It's got that classic fastback ducktail vibe, but refined, no cheap plastic, just purposeful design that says this thing was built to drift apexes or smoke tires at the strip. Overall, the exterior isn't just skin deep. It's engineered for aero efficiency, with a drag coefficient around 0.32 that helps. It's sliced through the air while still looking like it could bench press a Challenger. Chevy's designers took risks here, blending heritage cues like the rounded fenders and cowl with futuristic touches like adaptive lighting, and the result? A car that's as photogenic as it is ferocious? Alright, enough drooling over the outside, let's slide into the cockpit and see what it's like to actually live with this beast. Step through the door, and you're greeted by an interior that's like stepping into a time machine with a PhD in luxury. The cabin is driver-focused to the core, with a dashboard that sweeps wide and low, featuring dual-pod analog gauges that pay homage to the 70s originals. Think sweeping tack and speedo, dials with orange backlighting for that vintage glow. But surrounded by a 12.3-inch digital cluster that can flip to modern modes like performance telemetry or navigation overlays. The materials scream premium: Alcantara wrapped dash and doors, perforated leather seats with SS embroidery that hug you like a race harness on steroids, and carbon fiber inlays on the console that feel lightweight yet indestructible. The steering wheel is a thick-rimmed beauty, flat-bottomed with paddle shifters for the auto and thumb grips for when you're carving canyons, wrapped in leather and stitched with red thread for that pop. Center stage is a massive 15-inch vertical touchscreen running. Chevy's latest infotainment, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto are standard. Plus, over-the-air updates and a killer Bose audio system with 12 speakers that thumps harder than the exhaust. Climate controls are physical knobs below, tactile and intuitive. And the gear selector is a classic horseshoe shifter if you go manual, or a crisp electronic dial for the auto. Rear seats? They're there for show or small kids, but hey, fold and flat for 12 cubic feet of cargo. Safety tech is baked in 2 adaptive cruise, lane keeping, and a 360-degree camera system that makes parking this wide-body a breeze. It's not just comfortable, it's immersive, with ambient lighting that shifts from cool blue to fiery red based on drive mode, making every drive feel epic. Chevy nailed the balance here: no cheap plastics, no overwhelming screens, just a space that feels like home for gearheads, who demand both soul and sophistication. But let's be real, folks, this car didn't come back to win beauty contests. It's here to dominate the asphalt. And the performance of the 2026 Chevelle SS is where it truly unleashes the demons. Under that sculpted hood lurks a hand-built 6.2-liter supercharged LT4 V8, the same heart that powers the Corvette Z06, pumping out a tire-shredding 650 horsepower and 650 pound-feet of torque. That's right enough grunt to make physics question itself. Pair it with your choice of a slick speed, manual with rev matching for purists, or a lightning-quick 10-speed automatic that shifts like it's psychic, and you've got a powertrain that's as versatile as it is violent. Chevy's dialed in the calibration for track days or stoplight sprints. Launch control is standard, holding you at the line before catapulting to 60 miles per hour in just 3.8 blistering seconds, with a quarter mile in the low 11s if you're brave. Top speed? Electronically limited to 200 miles per hour, but it'll get there with magnetic ride shocks that soak up bumps on the street while stiffening up for apex carving precision. The chassis is an evolution of the Alpha platform, lighter by 200 pounds than the last Camaro thanks to aluminum and high-strength steel, with Brembo brakes, 6-piston fronts clamping 15-inch rotors that haul this 3,800-pound missile down from 60 to 0 in under 110 feet. Handling? It's neutral and planted, with summer tires that grip like glue and an optional 1 LE pack adding a rear torque vectoring diff, stiffer springs and massive sway bars for that scalpel-sharp turn-in. And the sound, oh man, the sound. That supercharger whine builds into a V8 bellow through the quad tips, with active exhaust valves letting you dial it from polite rumble to full-throated war cry. Fuel economy? Expect 15 in the city, 24 on the highway. Not bad for a supercharged monster, and there's even a mild hybrid. Assist in higher trims for smoother stops and better efficiency without diluting the fun. Drive it, and it's alive, responsive, communicative, and addictive. Blending old-school drama with new-school composure that could embarrass exotics twice the price. Now, I know what you're thinking, all this glory sounds amazing, but what's the damage to your wallet? Pricing for the 2026 Chevelle S starts at an accessible $58,000 for the base model, which already packs the full V8 punch, leather interior, and most of the tech goodies. That's a steal in today's market, undercutting the Mustang GT by a bit and matching the Charger RT's value while offering that rarer Chevelle badge prestige. Step up to the mid-tier performance trim at around $65,000, and you get the upgraded Recaro seats, the one-la handling kit, and those 21-inch forged wheels for extra flair. Top it off with the limited Heritage Edition Think exclusive Hugger Orange. Paint and serialized plaques for $75,000, and you're in collector territory. Add-ons like the supercharged 454 package, bumping to 700 horses, will tack on another $10,000. But even fully loaded, you're looking at under $85,000 before options. Factor in the 5-year, 60,000-mile warranty, and it's a no-brainer for anyone chasing bang-for-buck muscle. Chevy's pricing this smart aggressive enough to move units fast, but premium enough to honor the SS legacy. Compared to the outgoing Camaro's $45,000 start, the extra dough buys you that timeless coupe body and heritage hype.